Right, so it's the next morning and we're going shopping to go out there to get some more stuff and to get some food for the trip.
Don't you believe it'll break out?
So we just got a new out of 5 map where we're going.
That was a lot cheaper. It was only $47.99 for the 20% off. And then they took I only paid £7 for it. They took £40 off for the other one.
Arrived at the campsite. We're all in with all of our stuff. Yeah, 3-hour long trip. It's gonna be good though. Oh,
I knew there would be.
Right, so are we gonna put this tent up as well, or we're just gonna put the main tent up?
No, put the main tent up.
Okay. Yeah, we'll need to save this for the expedition. Yeah. So we've got the tent, we're just putting it up now. So we just finished putting up the tent. We're now just putting in the inner layer of the tent so we can sleep in it. It's really big in here, massive. So Pete's just putting up the middle there. So that's going to be where we're sleeping, and then all of this other stuff is going to be our storage space. We're going to leave everything in here so when we do our overnight trek we'll be able to take it as little as we can. So we've just set up camp and we're going to the beach now. So yeah, it's pretty hot as well. So we've got the drone and I'm going to be flying it over these lakes. Yeah, I've got Tom here. You right, Tom?
Oh, Sam, you right?
You right, Pete?
Right.
Yeah. So let's switch it on. So we're now walking 25 kilometres up Krewella, and we've got all of our camping gear and we're going to camp at the top of the mountain. So it's going to be a long walk, it's about a 7.5 hour walk. It's very misty and cloudy on the hills, but it should clear by the time we get up there. So we're on the mountain right now. These waterfalls, Pete and Tom. So we're just coming up to Krewella right now. And we're struggling to walk up this hill. Oh, it's a bit quiet here. We can't see anything, there's cloud everywhere. We're in the clouds. It's really windy, really wet. We're nearly at the summit of Krewella. We're just reaching the summit now. Finally made it after 3 hours of walking.
Yeah, but
12 kilometres.
So you could take an hour off actually.
Yeah.
Half 10 we started.
Yeah. But we've been walking for 3 hours and we've just reached the summit. Yes. We just arrived at our camping location for the night and we're going to put up the tarpaulin. We're going on the canoes we've just hired out. It's going to be fun.
We're floating.